to fishing route. We make this antenna is performance is good because come back to the Yankee Charlie to Yankee India Zulu. Today we want to make dipole 40 meter band with a fishing route. Okay, now we look the component of the antenna. Okay, I'm using two fishing route and I'm using wire and let's go to make this antenna. Okay, I measure the wire about 10.5 meters 10.5 meters from this start wire until the end of wire is 10.5 meters. So this wire maybe is enough, maybe is not enough. If not enough wire, we put again the wire with the soldering the wire. So this experiment is new experiment, so I don't know about this antenna. I hope this antenna is works well, but this experiment is very new, so we try together to see the video and to see what I made this antenna with wire and with my fishing route. So I hope this antenna is work well, but we don't know if we not try make to this antenna. So we try to make this antenna, so I hope this antenna is work well in the 40 meter band. So we erection the fishing route first to measure about the fishing route and then the wire. So we make a coil into the fishing rod. So now we strike up, we erection the fishing rod. Sorry, the camera is on. Yeah, okay, no problem. The second fishing rod. the total fishing route 7.2 meters. Okay. Okay, the the full length is fishing route. The end of wire, I put this sign of fishing route is 7.2 meters in this position. So we make center to make a loading coil in this 3.5 meters in this position. So we try to make this coil, and we try to put the wire into the outset of fishing rod. Okay, we put this wire into the fishing rod. Okay, finish to put the first wire and first sweep from the feed point, the number second wire until we make a loading coil. So we use a PVC pipe. We use PVC pipe, one inch to make a coil. Okay, we try to make a coil. Try to make a first coil with the wire. So we try to measure the length coil to make the second coil with the PVC pipe. So with the symmetries PVC pipe we measure for the first coil. Okay, the first coil is 10 centimeters, 0.3. Oh sorry, we measure the end, the first end coil. Okay. Okay, 10.5 centimeters, the length of coil. So we try to count the turn of coil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, this coil is 31 ton with the 1 inch PVC pipe. So we make a second coil and we make the PVC pipe again to make the second wire in the fishing rod. we have to coil now. After we have to coil now, the first coil, second coil. Okay, after we have to coil and we put the wire in the fishing rod. Now we prepare the feed point for the dipole antenna. So I want phone to break it. I want phone bracket from this tripod. So now try to find bracket in my storage. Okay, maybe now we can use PVC pipe to connecting right to left side fishing rod. And maybe we open the bottom side of the fishing rod. Okay, we put in the PVC pipe and the first fishing rod and the second fishing rod in this another side, so we can make a feed point in this position. So we find the bracket from the PVC pipe. We finish setting the dipole fishing rod antenna. Now we look the result of my antenna. It's very long fishing rod and 7.2 meters in one side. Totally length is 14.4 meters. Look this antenna. Okay, so we look the construction this antenna. We make a rope to make strike this fishing rod. Oh, sorry, it's one fishing rod is lost. I repair the fishing is loose now, is strike now, sorry. Okay, this coil before I explain for you, and this my balloon, one divide one, this balance balloon. I use high gain balloon. Okay, after we finish setting the dipole, we look the analyzer of this antenna. This antenna is immediately. I not prepare before. It just directly. I build this antenna. I make this antenna. This live. Now prepare before, because I want to show you when I make this antenna without my prepare before. This just directly. I don't know what happened. This antenna. I don't know what the SWR this antenna. I don't know about the performance. I just directly show you how to I made dipole with fishing rod. Before this fishing rod, I use 2 vertical antenna, but now directly I use for dipole a 40-meter band with the center loading directly. Now calculate, now measuring, just directly I show you, I made with my mind, okay, with my mind. So we look the SWR, maybe it's good, maybe it's not, but we look together. Okay, what happened? Okay, we start from 7.00. 7.00 is 1.2 x5, 7.04 x0 1.2, 7.08 1.4 x0. Okay, 100 is 1.5 x0. Now per mine until 150 is 1.8 x0. 2.4 x0 is good antenna because x0 SWR is match the lower frequency. If you want to higher frequency, you can cut out cutting this wire, end of the wire. So it's no problem. We try to make communication in this. The radio is my mobile station. Directly is really. Now I prepare before this antenna. I don't know how about the SWR. I don't know how about the performance this antenna, but we together look this performance this antenna. We try to make communication. Okay. Okay. So we open the car. Mobile. Oh, not enough. We open the window. Open the window. Yeah. We open now the window. Okay. Now we try the cable coaxial for the window. Okay. Yeah. And the connector while we oh sorry, replace the connector dipole. So we press again. It's very hot. Very hot sun. Okay. To try to make communication. Check SWR. Okay, 1.2.
Nah, itu sebelum ke Anda tentunya yang selamat siang lagi terpantau. Silakan dilengkapi di sini Yankee Delta 1 Yankee Alpha Kilo Sleman. Orang apa boleh Karto kan karo Kalimantan, aku karo kowe ngono ya. Ganti-ganti.
KSL Mbah Maruto KSL. Yankee Charlie 3 Mike Japan, Yankee Charlie 2 Yankee India Zulu. Aku lagi ngetes antena Mbah Maruto. Lagi ngetes antena. Ini antenanya baru 2 meter dari tanah, 1 meter lebih dikit ya. Pakai Dipole ini ya Mbah Maruto, panjangnya 7 meter kali 2 itu, pakai Dipole. Gitu Mbah Maruto, ketinggian 2 meter ini Mbah Maruto, baru ngetes, baru jadi antenanya. Yankee Charlie 3 Mike Japan, Yankee Charlie 2 Yankee India Zulu. Jogja ganti.
Cari tahu tuh gue keping. Aku ini belum ya aku deh. Ini. Itu yang India Zulu yang kita diterima Japan, walaupun 2 meter ketinggian. Maruto ketinggian 2 meter ini Mbak Maruto baru ngetes, baru jadi antenanya. Yankee Charlie 3 Mike Japan, Yankee Charlie 2 Yankee India Zulu. Nah, wis ngono kuwi ya, wis diteruske. Dicagaki bring. Engko bringe pendak rendeng pangan rayap. Yo aku pipon oke jaman dai kok bring sing apik. Wis lanjut kedas.
KSL Mbak Maruto. Iki tak rekam loh Mbak Maruto, tak rekam juga masuk di YouTube nanti Mbak Maruto, terkenal iki. Nggih matur nuwun Mbak Maruto. Saya baru bikin dari tadi ya mungkin 1 jam lah bikin selesai. Ini langsung nyoba gitu Mbak Maruto. Ya wis pokoke waton wae gitu. Pakai tegek gitu, pakai joran pancing 8 meter kali 2 gitu Mbak Maruto. Oke Mbak Maruto, silakan dilanjut nanti Lek Darto muring-muring gitu. Yankee Charlie 3 Mike Japan, Yankee Charlie 2 Yankee India Zulu. Ganti. Okay, thank you my friends, all viewer on my video. This antenna performance is good because I'm transmitting in 7.105 megahertz. So SWR is 1.4, but its performance is good because Jogja from Pacitan is enough to make communication because my feed point just 2 meter from the ground, and SWR is 1.4 because this antenna matching in the lower frequency 7.02. Maybe in CW is good performance, but never mind. We can match the antenna with the mic cutting this end of wire, or so you can make low SWR. So this antenna is I'm directly show you. I make not prepare before. I don't know this performance. I don't know is the SWR, but this antenna results and my experiment is good. So you can make this antenna if you want to make a dipole with the fishing rod. Okay, thank you for watching, and maybe the next time I can make an antenna again with directly experiment, no prepare before. I not measure, I not calculate this antenna, but I directly make this antenna. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And see you the next experiment. 73, the Yankee Charlie to Yankee India Zulu. Bye-bye.